Today, as I stand here ready to start this incredible adventure, I am filled with an overwhelming sense of love, admiration, and excitement for the future we'll create together.
Our journey together has been nothing short of a roller coaster. I want to take a moment to express just how much you mean to me.
Sophie's thoughtfulness and caring nature have been evident since her younger years. She always had a way of capturing everyone's attention, making sure that everyone felt included and entertained by her infectious laugh.
I love you.
I mean, who can resist my daughter, Sophia? Her charm, her character, right?
Robera is very focused on being the best at what he does and has an insatiable drive that has kept him elevating his life from his humble beginnings in neighborhoods of Addis Ababa in Ethiopia. And I always admired and respected that bro.
One evening a few years into our friendship, Sophie, you may not even remember this, you opened up to me about how you really wanted to find someone special. I remember the conversation so vividly because mere weeks later, you met a guy that you wouldn't stop talking about. Enter Robera. You two have taught me a lot about love, partnership, and resilience. Y'all are the gold standard.
It makes me so happy to see Sophie, this person that goes so above and beyond for others, have solace in a partner that really takes care of her. That's really my wish for both of you, is to have respite and peace and joy, and I really see how much you give that to each other. Sophie and I, we've been with each other through all of life's milestones, including Sophie and Robera's very first date. Yeah. So she is on her way to get ready for a date. She was nervous, excited, hopeful, and in a very fierce debate as to whether or not to wear tights. Long story short, she ended up wearing the tights. They hit it off, and we're here today.
As we embark on this journey of love, I hope we will savor each moment of our shared path. Your positive energy radiates wherever you go. It's one of the reasons why I fell in love with you. Together, we make each other better, and I'm really grateful to have you by my side.
Probably everyone knows here that I really like being right. But jokes aside, choosing Robera as my life partner feels like the ultimate right choice. And combining our strengths, we create our own little superpower.
Will you who are present here today surround Sophie and Robera in love, offer them the joys of your friendship, and support them in their marriage? This ring will serve as a daily reminder for yourself and a symbol to the world around you of the commitment you've made here today.
You're my person now and forever.
You're my person now and forever.
Last night I was hearing some people talk about coming together and coming to this event, and it's like pre-Sophie and Robera's wedding and post-Sophie and Robera's wedding. Like, lives are organized around this event.
Sophie and Robera! Yeah!
vividly remember the first moment that Sophie told us about Robera. She said, "Mom and Dad, sit down. I met this guy and it's pretty serious. And I met him on Tinder and he works for Tinder." And we're like, "We love him."
እሷም ሆነ ቤተሰቦቿ ወደኛ ቤተሰብ ስለተደባለቁ በጣም ደስተኛ ነን።
We are beyond thrilled to have Robera as a part of our family, and I can be sure they love each other.
Their qualities complement each other. In the past 3 weeks that I stayed together with them with my mom, I have witnessed the love and care they have for each other, and it's really heartwarming.
This entire weekend has been totally magical. You know, it's beyond a wedding, it's an experience.
Robera, I promise to love you more than pesto pasta and natural wine.
I promise to always be there when you need me, no matter the time or circumstances. And of course, I promise to make you a latte every morning because I know it brings a smile to your face.
Every single day, I promise to remind you of my love, and I promise to let you squeeze my face at least once a day.
I love you more than words can express, and I'm beyond excited to be your partner for the rest of our lives.
Cheers to the newlyweds.
By the power vested in me, you may now kiss. I now pronounce you partners in life.